Of His Majesty, Emperor Haile Selassie. Set your goal. Set your goal up too high. Demand more of yourself than you believe you possess. Judge not only what you accomplish, but also what you attempt. A noble falter may be of more value than a petty success. One who set their goal too low and accept too little as enough squander their talent and ability. Remember your duties. Be worthy of your ancestors. Do honor to yourself and to your family. Rastafari.
Selassie.
Free yourself of petty concern and put principle above all else. You must avoid the least sort of personal gain or position when making a collective decision. Put your hand to be wise. Mold your mind to be wise. Foresight and intelligent with profound thinking. Self-discipline is something worthy to be inert. Ready fire? The knowledge you obtain, use it to the best advantage of your community and your family. Prepare yourself to acquire clear thinking of a fruitful mind to elevate your spirit. Haile Selassie. Earnest nature and utilize it resource for the well-being and improvement of your life. The key to betterment and completeness is your education through intellect of your soul. Become master of your faith, able to determine your destiny through the healing of education. Being lazy is being an enemy to yourself and an obstacle to others. Rastafari.
Selassie.
You can repeat it again. Being lazy is being an enemy to yourself and obstacle to others. Rastafari.
Knowledge. Yes.
Life is short, but we can live and act in a way that our achievement leave us a good name forever. Rastafari. One who lives good and is fair in their ways will always be led to right decision by their conscience.
Yeah.
Rastafari.
Rastafari.
One who lives good and is fair in their ways will always be led to right decision by their conscience. Rastafari.
Yes, I. Those powerful words by Rastafari, Selassie. Words of wisdom. We are led by our goodness. The good things that we do will guide us. When we do good, we'll be guided on the right way. So we need to trust the process of goodness, righteousness, and love. Read it again, let me hear that.
Yeah. Rastafari, words of His Majesty. One who lives good and is fair in their ways will always be led to right decision by their conscience. Rastafari.
Yeah.
Right, led to the right decision by their conscience.
Yes,
You saying at the beginning, say one who feared in their ways?
Huh?
That's what you saying at the beginning?
One who lives good and is fair
Oh, live good and is feared in his ways.
in their ways will always be led to right decision by their conscience.
What is your conscience?
The conscience is the inner self.
Yeah. What he's saying is there's an inner guiding force within us.
The spiritual
The spirit.
man in you, you know.
Yeah.
I guide you, and sometimes we say, boy, if I follow my mind, would I do this and would I do that?
Yeah.
But in reality, the vice in you, you know. Basically, the God in you, the man in you, know. Do this.
Yeah, do it right. Yeah.
So
Don't do that. Do that.
I always
two
say
things.
one now will say if him did know, him don't know himself.
Exactly, you see. But sometimes it takes for us to reach that level to be able to see growth.
Definitely.
Because we have to achieve growth, you know.
Yeah, by what we do, what we say.
Yeah. Good. No, bless you.
And we live too.
Walk it, speak it, live it.
Someone talk it and walk it. Someone walk it and talk it.
Say again. Say again.
Talk no, not talk no.
Someone walk it and talk it. Someone talk it and walk it.
Yes, sir.
Rastafari.
Sure.
Yes, I.
Nobody never tell them.
Yeah, this one who knows from where they come and where they are going will inspire others by their good example. Rastafari. One who knows from where they come and where they are going will inspire others by their good example.
That's right.
I.
That's right.
Yes, sir.
Wisdom again.
Utilize all your thoughts and knowledge to the ultimate objective of moral satisfaction, the pride of mankind. Always remember the influence of example. Forget not the reward of serving others. Steadfastness and perseverance are invaluable in attaining your goal. One who realizes their needs and have a proper sense of value and urgency will be able to fulfill it. Rastafari.